Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. I know I have no makeup on, but it has been raining literally all day and I was craving some ramen. So this video I'm going to show you how I make my ramen noodles. So this is what my bowl looks like when I'm done. You can't see it, hold on. That's what my bowl looks like. Right, I have sausage, I have eggs in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this while I show and tell how I make it. Okay, all right, so first things first, I do use the sauce packet that comes in it, as well as half a packet of sazon. That just adds extra seasoning to it. I use this beef sausage. I forget the name, but yeah, I think it's a smoked beef. Anyways, that also adds additional flavor to the soup and it tastes really good. I also add scallion, aka green onions. That also adds a different flavor to it, so it doesn't just taste, you know, regular, like fresh out of pack. Like if that's what you eat it, cool, because that's how I like my cup noodles. Like I love a good cup noodle. Like that's my joint. But when I do this, I have to like add all these other stuff to it. When I'm done making everything, I do it according to the package. So I'll boil the seasoning first and then add the sausage and the scallion. You can add that at the same time you add the powder seasoning. Let that boil. I like my water to boil with the seasoning instead of adding everything at the same time. When the water boils up, then I'll add the ramen in there, let that cook for the 3 minutes, set that aside, and then add my egg, which you saw earlier. So I add 1 boiled egg. If I'm really hungry, I'll add 2 because I love eggs. I just slice it up and put it in there. But that is pretty much it. Like this, for such a rainy day, this is one of my favorite comfort foods. So good. And this is just the basic chicken flavor one. If you want, you could do the beef flavor. Beef flavor is good. But my kids, they love the chicken, so I just get the chicken and then, you know, we eat that. Neither of them like the egg in the ramen. My youngest, he likes it with the sausage, and then my oldest, he likes it with cheese. Actually, he puts shredded cheese on top of his, or a sliced cheese. I forget which one he prefers, but yeah, I haven't tried it with the cheese. I love cheese, but I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna, if I do it and I don't like it, I'm going to like waste it. So I haven't tried it. Maybe I should steal some of his one day. The egg, oh my god. God. I'm like almost done. But yeah, in Florida, we don't have the typical fall weather. We have rain and a whole bunch of leaves and debris. I'm like already full. Then I have my cranberry juice in a wine glass. I've cut back on alcohol. I don't drink during the week anymore. I stick to drinking on the weekends, and I've went from drinking all weekend to only drinking on Saturdays, or if I'm like at a social occasion, then I'll drink. Excuse me. But just to be home and just getting drunk, I no longer do that. My body cannot handle that. And then I started working out again, so it's like waking up in the morning to work out and being hungover is not fun. I'm already in pain from the workouts. Oh, girl. But yeah. It's kind of cold now because I made it and then I washed my face and then I came on camera. So it's like... Now I'm already so full. Oh, my eyebrows look crazy. I should have brushed them before I came on here. Okay, noodles are done. I'm done. I'm full. This is what I have left. It's not much. Not much left. I'm done. I'm tapping out. That was good though. Now, excuse me. Excuse me. Now I'm going to sleep. So good. Let this digest a little bit. Finish my cranberry juice. I'm gonna watch, I think I have a Housewives episode to watch, Real Housewives of Potomac episode to watch. So I'm gonna go watch that right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informative in some way, shape, or form. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Good night.